What are the major factors affecting an injection molding process? Injection molding is a manufacturing process used to produce parts by injecting molten material into an injection mold. It is a widely used production process for producing a wide variety of injection molded product, including melting plastic, metal, and ceramic parts. Many factors can affect the injection molding process, including the material being used, the design of the mold, the injection molding machine, and the processing conditions. Material being used. One of the major factors affecting the injection molding production process is the material being used. Different materials have different properties, such as plastic melt temperatures, viscosity, and shrinkage, which can all affect the injection molding process. It is important to choose a material that is suitable for the intended application and has the desired properties, such as strength, durability, and mold temperature resistance. Design of the mold. The design of the injection mold is another important factor that can affect the injection molding process. The mold must be designed to accurately and consistently produce parts with the desired shape, size, and dimensions. The design of the mold can also affect the injection molding process by determining the location and size of the gate, which is the point where the molten material is injected into the injection mold. Injection molding machine. The injection molding machine is another key factor that can affect the injection molding process. The machine must be capable of generating the necessary injection pressure and temperature to inject the molten material into the mold and produce parts with the desired quality and accuracy. The size and capacity of the machine can also be important, as it must be able to accommodate the size and complexity of the injection mold and the amount of material being used. Operating conditions. Operating conditions of the injection molding machine can also have a significant impact on the injection molding process. The mold temperatures and plastic pressure of the molten material, the speed and force of the injection, and the cooling rate of the mold all play a role in the quality and accuracy of the final parts. In addition, the maintenance and upkeep of the injection molding machine can affect the process, as wear and tear on the machine can cause defects or downtime. Other factors that can affect the plastic injection molding complex process include the type and quality of the raw materials, the environmental conditions in the production facility, and the skill and experience of the operator. Conclusion. In conclusion, many factors can affect the injection molding process, including the material being used, the design of the mold cavity, the injection molding machine, and the processing conditions. It is important to carefully consider and optimize these factors to produce high-quality parts with the desired properties.